Hello! So I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into my masterclass from the audience to the center stage, how to get public speaking engagements now. And this is just a behind the scenes look at what you'll be getting. First off, you can see that this course is usually $9.97, but right now I am running an amazing, incredible special, and you can get it for just $97 for a limited time. So yay! Okay, so next up, we you can have or you can watch a video that kind of explains the speaking database. So if you press preview there, then this handy dandy video is a full behind the scenes look at my speakers database. So my speakers database has 1,200 events right now that are looking for speakers. So once you gain access and you log into the database, you'll be able to see like some of the event planners' email addresses, their phone number, their LinkedIn. You'll get direct access to the website so you can apply for the speaking engagement that you're interested in, and then the website your URL so you can learn more about the event. So this database is amazing. It not only lists like the name and the description of the event, but if we could find the contact person, it's listed there. It gives you the deadline for the application, the city that the event, the city and state that the event is taking place in, what type of event, such as if it's a live event, virtual, a hybrid event, which is both in person or live and virtual, and then the category. So you can use these search fields up here to search for category like gender specific, for instance, like if you're looking for women's leadership events. You would search for gender specific. You can search for leadership events by itself. You can search for business events. So these search fields are excellent if you're trying to narrow down different types of events that you want to speak at. So the first thing you can do is just take a look at this video. It's kind of short, minutes. And I give you a full walkthrough and overview of how to use the database. So that is pretty cool. So next up, when we're inside of the portal here, so this first section is how to use the database. Next, you're going to get access to the database. So it says click here to gain access, and then you'll click there again, and voila, we are right here inside of the database. So again, the video shows you the full walkthrough of how to navigate it, but this is the actual database, and you can see there are, let's see, yeah, so right now there's 1,167 events in there. So yeah, you can get access to the phone number of the event planner, the email address. If you click there, it pops right up. So you'll gain full access to the database there. Next, I gave you my ebook of how I find speaking engagements. So that's a great bonus for you if you like to read. There's another handy dandy PDF of where you can find different speaking engagements, different, associations, corporate offices, things like that. And then these are email templates that I have actually used that have helped me gain paid public speaking engagements, or I've gained paid public speaking engagements for my client partners using these templates. So of course you don't ever want to just copy and paste a template. You want to tweak it to make it your own, right? But these are like some incredibly amazing templates that have really, really, really helped me to, pitch my speakers and get them paid engagements and negotiate their fees and things like that. So these templates are amazing. So you have 10 main templates and then two like bonus templates as well. And I'll just go ahead and show you a sneak peek into one. So you'll click the one that you want to go with. So let's say you're a business coach, you'll click that, and then it'll pop up for you. And yeah, so that is how you kind of gain access to the template. Yeah, for speaking. Okay, and so let's go back here. Yeah, so those are the templates. Now, these are actually training videos on what I actually do behind the scenes to pitch my speakers and to find paid speaking engagements for them. So if we're just sending out a warm or a cold email, right? Like if you're going to, let's say a Chambers of Commerce and, let's see, Chambers of Commerce directory. So you can go here and you can kind of, let's say we were looking in New York. You can just look up the uschamber.com, go to their directory, and then, whatever chamber you're looking for, let's say the Manhattan Chamber of Commerce, you'll have the website and the phone number. And then you can click there and learn more about that specific chamber. So I like to do research on everyone that I'm contacting, and in the beginning of the email, just kind of express like, oh, I watched this video, or I love, what you're doing, the different events that you're throwing or something like that. But just don't copy and paste the templates. Make sure that you're actually customizing them. And then here's the email right here. So my database or my training actually shows you, like, if you're just going to the chamber's website and you're just finding their email, this video actually shows you how to cold email people, and what kind of program I use. I use a program called Streak to cold email like a lot of people at the same time, and you can actually customize those emails. So it's not just a copy and paste. You can literally write different things in there, like, oh, I see your next event is coming up, or I loved watching your video on XYZ. So each and every email is actually customized, but with that program, instead of sending each of those customized emails out one by one, you can actually send them all out at the same time, which saves you so much time. And it's so cool because the emails are actually customized. You can customize like the person's name. You can customize whatever you want inside of the email. And so it's a fully customized email, but instead of sending it to, 20 different people, one by one, which is super time consuming, you just press one button and you send it off all at once. So that's kind of what, these different videos teach you, like how to minimize the time that you're spending, because reaching out to different event planners and different events is super time consuming. And so these videos not only show you like what I do, how I customize my emails, but it shows you how to cut down on the time that you spend actually like emailing people and things like that, to save you some time. So, I use warm and cold emails to reach out. I also, find events on LinkedIn, and I show you how I use LinkedIn. I love Meetup and Eventbrite as well, to find speaking engagements in addition to my database. So those are just different ways that you can find speaking engagements. And this PDF here shows you a lot of different ways to find speaking engagements besides what I just listed. So, yeah, you should have no issues finding speaking engagements at all. So, this is just a little bit of what is inside of the database. I'm also adding a bonus that will show you, like, if the event can't meet your budget, different ways that you can negotiate. If they can't meet your speaking fees, such as asking for, the flight and hotel and maybe bulk copies of your book to be sold, different ways that, even if they can't meet your budget, or, places like nonprofits, they have smaller budgets, right? So if they can't meet your full speaking fee, there are different ways to negotiate. So you're still, getting a lot of value, and you're still going there transforming people's lives, but you still get paid well, for your time as well, right? Because your time and your expertise is also very valuable. So it's a win-win. The audience is getting a great transformation and great value from you, but you're also winning as well, because you're getting paid for your expertise and your time. So I will add that into the database as well, for a bonus. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a behind the scenes look at what you'll be getting. All right. Well, thank you so much for your consideration. And whether you decide to invest in my master course or not, I am wishing you the best and so many blessings on your speaking journey. Thank you so much. This is Erica McCarthy from My Speakers Boutique.